Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of this gorgeously gentle deck, the Angels of Nature Oracle. It's by Sandra Anne Taylor. You've got a decent sized guidebook that comes with it, where she explains in the introduction, why she created this deck, so what was its conception and its inception, about the cards, the different types of cards, reading the cards, preparing, then some spreads, lots of spreads, and then you go straight into the cards and it will tell you what the title is, the meaning, whether it's upright or reversed, and an affirmation for you. So this is some angelic connection for you, and it's a Hay House deck. So she's written Quantum Success, updated and released as Unlimited Abundance, as well as an amazingly accurate oracle and tarot decks to explore the energetic and spiritual realms. They've been translated into 33 languages. So this is Sandra Taylor's work. That's the guidebook. The box is an atypical one. Angels exist in all of nature. With this oracle deck, you can connect with the angels and the energy of every living thing, every plant and animal, the mountains and stars, and all places beyond. When you need support, the angel of the elephants can bring caring connections to your life. The angel of the four winds can help you find direction in moments of uncertainty. Romantic blessings bloom in your life when the angel of the roses shows up. Through forging a deep relationship with the natural world and all the angels within, you'll be able to receive profound present guidance and reveal future potentials. So that's the premise of this deck. Let's move that to one side while we take a look at the cards. Now the backs of them are like this. The quality of the card is, it's a decent stock card, not flimsy. Typical Hay House size as well for shuffling. So it's, I want to say like an Archangel Michael, but it's slightly lighter because he's actually like that lapis lazuli blue, whereas this is a little bit, unless I've gone a bit colourblind, it's slightly more lighter, like a lilac-y colour. Okay, so you've got all of the cards, and then you have the number, the illustration, the number, which angel this is, and what this angel can bring into your life. Okay, I'm going to flip through them. As with always, if you want to slow it down and really take your time looking at each of the cards, then you're quite within your capabilities of doing that. I think it's in the settings on the YouTube videos. It's one of the reasons I choose to do the unboxings there. Plus also it's nice to see the decks, isn't it, before we buy them. I'll pull a card for you at the end and give you a little angel blessing. She's beautiful, isn't she? There we go. So those are 44 cards. I'm going to randomly choose one for you. See where I feel drawn. I feel this one. Angel of the Dolphin. Playfulness, intellect, releasing concerns. So you have to stop worrying. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, I hope that you've enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments, please. And thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.